Classical.
What's her name? We were wrong.
Who was wrong?
Oh, so you're the district attorney? Yes, I do.
All right, I'm gonna get Becky Wheeler up.
She got 1 second step. I said you got 1 second step. Not really.
Can you hear me, Miss Wheeler?
I can hear you.
All right, success! Woo! Oh, a lot of modern technology. All right.
I know. And I got my name renamed to my legal name, so now I'm all set.
You're good.
Sunlight coming in here, but besides that.
It's fine. The other individual on the screen here is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the ticket for using the electronic communication device.
State's offer $255, court supervision.
And that's with the court supervision?
Yes,
Correct.
Okay.
Is that an offer you want to accept?
Yes, please.
Okay. How long would you need to pay the $255?
I can pay it within a month. I think I can do, I'm going to check if I can't do all of it today. I can do the rest of it in 2 weeks.
Okay, we'll just give you through February 25th.
Thank you.
And at the bottom of my screen, you see scrolling through there, it says paytrafficfine.org. That is a site you can use to pay it online if you want.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right. Any questions?
No, I would like to say thank you for offering this as a way for people to come to court right now. I deeply appreciate it. Thank you.
Well, good then. It's a success then. Thank you very much.
Guys.
And we'll let you disconnect then. Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye-bye.
Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, very good. The other individual on the screen is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay.
State's offer is $255, court supervision.
And what does supervision mean?
It means if you get the fine paid, it will not show up on your driving record as a conviction, and that can be to your benefit. The Secretary of State looks for convictions. This would be a moving violation. So if you get 3 convictions for a moving violation in a year, they would suspend your license. So this would prevent this as showing up as a conviction.
Okay, and then when is the $255 due?
You tell me how long you need to get it paid.
Just till the end, till the 31st when I get paid at the end of the month.
We'll give you the 30 days to get it paid. Is that good?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And at the bottom of my screen, scrolling through there is a site that says paytrafficfine.org.
Mm-hmm.
That is a site you can use if you want to pay it online.
Okay. I do. And then, so that's all I would need to do?
Yep. Just use that site and get it paid whenever you can before that February 25th date.
Okay, and it's $255.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can now.
Okay, very good. All right. The other individual on the screen is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay.
State's offer, $402, supervision.
Is that something you would want to accept?
For $402.
And if you want to accept that, I'll be asking you how long you need to get it paid. You need 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, whatever you tell me, and we'll work with you on the length of time that you would need to get that paid. If it's an offer, if you want to accept that offer.
If I may ask, what's the alternative?
You can just plead guilty for a straight conviction. I'm not sure what this conviction fine is for that.
It's gonna be the same, Your Honor.
Okay. The only other thing you can do is you can plead not guilty. The issue with that is we would have to set that over for a trial date. You would actually have to be here in court for that. So we aren't set up to do trials by Zoom.
Okay. I was not expecting that. So the reason for the 400 is because
The range of the speed, the fines are dependent on the range of the speed. It's like 0 to 10, 10 to 20. This one was 26 to 34 over. It's based upon that range.
does it matter as to the, I mean, I know I was speeding, which, I'm not going to say that I wasn't, yeah, so I was speeding, but does it matter as to the rationale as what the speeding came from?
The only other thing I can do is I can put you in a breakout room with the state's attorney and you can discuss that. It would be outside of my presence. You can discuss that, see whether or not it makes any difference to them or not, as to whether or not they would, there's anything they could do. I don't know if there is. That's the only other option.
Okay. And to go to that breakout room, would that offer still be on the table or?
And that's what, ultimately, yes. Yeah.
We can talk in the breakout room, okay?
Okay, yes.
Now you're gonna test my skills here.
Hold vacant labs and then we'll go ahead and go through the rest.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. I got a couple more people, we're gonna take care of them, and then we'll come back and we'll get you into that breakout room. But right now, I'm just gonna put you back in the waiting room, okay?
Okay, that works.
All right, so don't go anywhere.
Okay.
We'll be back with you. All right, it's a Ruben. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. The other individual on the screen is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve this speeding ticket.
Okay.
State's offer, $280, court supervision.
Is that an offer you would want to accept?
The speeding ticket was only 164.
What that is that will then show up on your record as a conviction. The Secretary of State and Insurance will see that as a conviction. What the 280 is additional fines for supervision. That means it will not show up on your record as a conviction.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
It does make sense. Could you repeat it back, the offer?
It's $280 with supervision. The length of supervision depends on just how long you need to get it paid. The minimum is 30 days of supervision. If you need longer to get it paid, we give you longer.
Okay.
Is that something you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. How long would you need to get that paid?
30 days.
Okay. Okay. At the bottom of my screen, you'll see a site that's scrolling through. It says paytrafficfine.org. That is a site you can use if you want to pay it online.
Okay,
All right? Okay, thank you then.
thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Rebecca Zuniga. Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay, all right, good, good. We can hear you, so I was, okay, all right. The other individual on the screen is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. He's gonna make you an offer
Okay.
to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay.
State's offer $280, court supervision.
Is that something you would want to accept?
What does that mean?
It means,
What does that mean, court supervision?
what it means is it will not, the Secretary of State will not consider that as a conviction on your driving record. Insurance companies won't see it as a conviction on your driving record. For the Secretary of State, if you get 3 moving violations in a year, they can suspend your license. This prevents this as showing up as one of those convictions.
Do I have the option of traffic school or whatever that's called?
It doesn't, the traffic school is for people under 21 who need to get supervision. So it's not anything that we have for adults over 21 that would impact an offer in any way.
It's another thing that you have to do. It's not going to be in lieu of a fine or anything like that.
Right.
So it would be $280
Okay, then.
court supervision. Then you'd have to do an additional traffic safety school. You can do it if you want.
But it's nothing, it's not required. Yeah.
I don't know why you would.
Okay, then I'll do the 280. And so you said that won't be on my record for driving?
It will not show up
Okay,
as
we'll
a
do that.
conviction. How long do you need to pay the 280?
Just till Friday.
Okay. We'll just put on there, we'll just put February 15th, middle of the next month, get that paid. Give you a little leeway.
Perfect.
Okay, all right. And if you see at the bottom of my screen, there's a site that says paytrafficfine.org. That's a site you can use to pay that online. I'll scroll through there in a second. Paytrafficfine.org.
Okay, perfect.
All right,
All right, sounds good.
you're good to go. Thank you.
All right. All right, thank you.
Take care.
So I don't know what I need to do here first to make then now I need to make a co-host. Co-host. And now I think
Get him in.
It's been a while since we've done
I know.
Yeah, he's the only one left. We could just keep him in.
That's true too. I can just step out. Probably easier. I just step out. Miss Aniga, you're good to oh, there you go. Oh, Miss Aniga, you're good to disconnect if you want, or if you need to, I can. I still got the last one in.